Time to make some mozzarella. Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Mrs. Seymour. Last episode we made some farmer's cheese from some fresh goat's milk. Today we're gonna make some homemade mozzarella cheese. Let's get started. We need a lot of supplies to make mozzarella. First, we start with 1 gallon of cold milk. Next, we dilute some citric acid into a cup of cool water. We stir in the mixture, then slowly warm it up to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. We can tell how hot the milk is by using a thermometer. When the needle is pointing at 90 degrees, we know the milk is 90 degrees Fahrenheit. While we wait, let's get our next ingredient ready, rennet. Rennet will separate the milk into curds and whey. When the milk is at 90 degrees, we mix in the rennet, then let it set for 5 minutes. The milk has now separated into curds and whey. The curds are the white, thick part, and the whey is the thin, liquid part. Next, we need to cut the curds. Once they're cut, we will slowly heat the curds and whey to 110 degrees Fahrenheit while stirring slowly. As the pot warms, the curds release more whey. Now we have to separate the curds and the whey. I scoop the curds up with a slotted spoon and place them in a strainer. There is still more whey in the curds we want to remove, which we can do by heating the curds in a microwave. As I work with the curds, more of the liquid whey drips out. I put it in the microwave multiple times. The curds become firmer and feel more like mozzarella. I'm wearing gloves to protect my hands from the hot curds, which are 140 degrees. We need to add some salt to our cheese and work it in. Let's heat the curds one last time. Now we're ready for the fun part. The last step to making the mozzarella is to stretch it. Once I'm done stretching, I roll it back into a ball and sprinkle some more salt. Now it's ready to eat. The fresh mozzarella tastes good with tomato and fresh basil. Thanks for joining us today as we made some fresh homemade mozzarella cheese.